It is my JavaScript project named Superhero Hunter app where I can search about any superhero. So I have used Marvel API to fetch search results, and this Marvel API provides me list of 20 superheroes, and all the names are starting with the value which I have put in the search bar. If I want to see any superhero details and add it to my favorites page, I can add it from here, remove as well. And now if I want to see any details, I can click on its name and it will lead me to the superhero page. So if I did details, and now if I want to add this superhero to my favorites page, I can add it. Let's go to the favorites page. So here, as you can see, I have both the superheroes in my list. I can remove them and it will say that there are no superheroes in your favorites list. I have made one more page. This page have no JavaScript effect, but it shows some famous quotes and sayings of the superheroes. If we talk about responsiveness, I have made all the pages responsive. So if we see the page from any screen, it will not break our view. As you can see, it will work pretty well. If I click on the page now, so this image and this details, they also work fine with every screen. Same goes for the favorites page. If we see it in a mobile view, there is no break of our view. If we talk about hero quotes page, it is also working fine. Now let's go to our code and see some functions. So it is my main JavaScript file index.js. Whenever I put any key in my search box, and then if I do keep up or release that key, it will start the function get searched superheroes. If I have not put any value or it is empty value, it will say type superhero name. If I have used any value, it will show loading search results till we fetch the API and get some results. So this data.results is the array of 20 elements which I was talking about in this start. We fetch this data and then give it to show search results function. First, it will check if there is any name. If there is no name, as I can show you example, it will say, oops, there is no superhero which name starts with this word. But if it is not the case, then from the local storage, it will fetch our data and it will see which heroes are in the favorites list. So if our hero is in the favorite list, it will show remove from favorites button, as I have put condition here. Otherwise, it will say add to favorites. This depends on our favorites list. I have used event listener here as well for every button, add button, or every name where it leads me to hero info page. So when I click on the add button first, it will check if inner HTML is this, add to favorites. Yes, if it is this, it will first fetch the local storage. It will take ID from there and then make our new object of hero info. This hero info have all the details. We put this hero info to our local storage and our array as well. Same goes for remove function. First we fetch the ID, then we fetch it local storage data. We delete it from both the arrays and then set both the arrays to our local storage. It was all about the main JavaScript file, or you can say home page. The add and remove functions are same in other pages, and in favorites page we are just fetching the list.